Hello. Yesterday we discussed two topics that are goals of development. This one, goals of development and national development. Today we are going to discuss another topic which is comparing states and nation, or how to compare different countries and states. Let's start. When we come on comparison between the nation and the state, it is important to note that we always compare the average. We do not compare the total. Why? Because when we are comparing the total income would vary based on the number of people living in that country. So, rather than comparing the total income, what we need to compare? We need to compare is the average income. So when we talk about average income and per capita income, that the total income divided the total income divided by the total number of residents or total population. Now the World Bank Development Report 2006 said that the per capita income of more than 4,53,000 per annum and above in 2004 were considered as rich countries. 4,53,000 per annum. Okay, so they are considered in rich countries. And if the income level is less than 37,000, we call it poor countries. So India falls into the category of low income countries, because in 2004 the per capita income of India was nearly 28,000 per annum. Look here. Now,